again doing. Now, can you see the R Studio screen on your computer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Okay. Okay. So this is the measurement model that we are trying to create. The graphical model that we have seen, we are typing in here and we are creating this variable called simple MM. So simple measurement model. So here you see simple MM. What type of variable it is? List of 4, because 4 text we have given, 4 construct. So this is the proof that the command has run properly. Okay. R will not take any space or any plus sign between the commands. So I am simply typing comma, and in the next line I am typing next. So all these lines it will consider as one line. All this line it will consider as one line or one command. Okay. So that measurement model is now specified. Now go to my script, create a structural model. You have to give the relationship now. After creating a measurement model, we have to give the relationship to our studio. That beta, how you want to measure it. So here is the variable name, simple SM. So now structural model. So previously I used the name simple MM. These are one any you can use. You can use service quality measurement model, service quality structural model. You can give any name. So simple SM, again that backs less than and dash. This is a common operator in R to give values. If you give this value, don't use equals to. Equals to has certain different meaning. Again, we will come to that later on. It can also give the same work, but then it is better to use this because it's a directional relationship. Okay, because we want to prove that relationships are directional. Now relationships is again a command, or you can say a function. जैसे कि अपने एक्सेल में यूज करते हैं sum into bracket G1 G7. So that way this is a function which is developed in the respective package, and the package is SEMinR. SEMinR is a package and relationships is the second function. Here we want to define the relationships, not the measurement model. So paths, we want to give them path into bracket from equals to, because we have more than one variable, we will use C for collaborative function. This is again one more function of R. So from equals to vision, double quotes, we have to write text only in double quotes, development and reward. So here we have developed the model, vision, development and rewards. The spelling should be same. Okay. 2, comma, bracket over, comma, 2, double quotes, collaborative culture. So I'll again close the 2 brackets, one for collaborative culture and one for the C command. So sorry, and one for the main function path. Now both bracket I have over, and now I am running. The proof of this is here you can see another variable has come, simple SM, but this is not a text variable. Now this is matrix. You want to create a matrix from this to this. So here on the right side in the environment tab, here one more variable has come, simple SM, matrix 1 gem 3, 1 gem 2. Okay. Now we will go ahead, estimate the model. We have to estimate PLS. Yesterday Kanan sir shown you the path, calculate PLS. Okay, so that he has set the model as PLS model. So that way we simply have to run the PLS model. So simple model, estimate PLS, data equals to data S, measurement model equals to simple MM, structural model equals to simple SM. Okay, inner weights equals to path weighting. What method you want to use? If you want to use different weights, you can use different functions. For that, you refer that functions. Inner weights, what values we can give differently. Missing equals to mean replacement. Even if something is missing, it will replace by mean. The same thing Kannan sir was doing in that PLS we are doing here. But here we are also defining missing value equals to -99. Kanan sir, are we going right?
Sir, shall I disturb?
Yeah.
100%.
Sir, so sorry. Sir, suppose I gave a wrong command, simple mistake of comma and other. Does it shows the error and simply help us in help column that we are doing some wrong command or some wrong typing or typing error? Anything else?
Yeah.
It
Do it
shows.
na. Arey, do it. Why you are worrying? You do
सर
it.
मैं काम करती थी इस पे पर वो ना कुछ कमांड के वजह से ही फिर रह गया मेरा इसमें काम.
There will be error coming na at the bottom. You can read it.
Okay.
Majority of the errors have no use. So better you read the original R help. From there you
Okay.
understand. Say for example, if I am not using double quotes in a measurement model to define the values, it will not work. When the command doesn't run, you understand that there is some error. You refer the original command from where you have read. Try to match your syntax with that, and it will be done. It will be. It will come. Kavita, it will come. Maybe that is the only reason, the way you are saying, I have not used manual typing. For you guys, I have brought this syntax already typed in R, especially in Word file for you guys, so that you don't make mistake. But in real life, you are allowed to make mistake and you have to do the mistakes if you want to develop your own model. Even if I type my own model, I find hell number of mistakes in R. But then slowly and gradually, we will learn that how to avoid what is the standard function, what is the standard syntax. So whatever Kanan sir was doing yesterday, missing data, he used to define by -99. He used to define that we have to replace the missing with mean replacement. He used to choose inner weights. The same I have given through command.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
I don't have liberty to use graphics. So I have used the same through command. I instructed my function that my missing underscore value is a function equals to double quotes ke andar -99. So it will.
So sir, automatically it will take the mean value.
Okay. In the model, in the PLS model, I'll show you in the data there might be some -99. I am opening the data file. Let me check whether we can find it or not. No, there is no -99 in this data. But if we have, no, I am not able to find any -99. But if we have, we can define missing by -99, and then it will in the PLS model. Of course, there will be -99 in the original data, but in the PLS model, it will replace the -99 value by a mean replacement. So this is missing method I have given. There can be other method also, remove the record and different. So for that, I have to read the function of estimate PLS, or maybe what can be the values we can give in missing. And then we have to understand in deep. Even I am not sure how many values are there, how many options are there. So we have to read it. We generally deal with data with simple data or missing data. Third variety we don't deal. So we are not going into depth of that function. But I'm sure there is a option for everyone. And don't worry, run the show. If any error comes, again refer the original syntax in the R.
Yes, sir.
And if that syntax is not matching your syntax, there is something wrong. You again type.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's go ahead. We have defined the simple measurement model and it has come. Okay. Simple model is now available here. Yeah. See on the right side, simple model variable is created. Simple model list of 19. Okay. Now we have to move to the next command. Summarize the model results. Whatever model you want to see, you summarize. For summarizing model results, you can directly see the summary, but I always request you to store the summary in one variable, so that later on, if you want to download that summary, you can download through one extra command that allows us to convert data in table. But right now, I am writing this command, summary underscore simple, or maybe I will write for you, it is, let it be that I am writing summary underscore store underscore Ritesh. मैंने मेरा वेरिएबल नाम दिया summary underscore store underscore Ritesh, and I have used the function summary of simple model which I have used on PLS. So here essentially summary may be unavailable. That's okay. See, whatever will not be available, it will give you an error. So that error sometimes is creating confusions. In R, it will come a lot of errors. I always insist not to read the errors and read the book or read the article from where you are learning the syntax. If nothing is wrong, then you ignore the error. So here I am ignoring because this is not error, this is warning message. They are saying that in summary.lm linear model independence underscore regression, essentially perfect fit summary may be unavailable. Okay, because of certain limitations of the model, certain things are not available. So it will give some warnings that, okay, your model is run, but then this is a problem. Now here, inspect the summary underscore simple. By mistake, I have used another name, so that I have to use the same name. That is why I will change the name. Otherwise, we all will not be on the same path. Summary underscore simple. Again, let me run. And then I have to see summary underscore simple. So here I can see what is R square 0.223. Vision ka beta 0. Vision ka R square. Vision ka beta 243. Development and reward. Reward is negative. Then reliability. Alpha, the same thing what Kanan sir used to display us on Smart PLS, Conbench Alpha, Rho A, Rho C, and AVE. Kanan sir, if our AVE is greater than 0.5, the reliability is met, if I am not wrong. And if our alpha is beyond 0.7, the reliability is met. Kanan sir, are you with us? Actually,
Yes,
my
sir.
voice.
Yes, sir.
My voice.
I'm here only.
Yeah.
The AV value is more than 0.5. That's good. That's good. That's fine. And all the what we call alpha values and the rho C and rho A, all of them are more than 0.7, except for a couple of them. No, all of them are more than 0.7. So
See,
it's fine.
in the bottom, they have given
yesterday,
not also.
Yeah, so
Then-
alpha is a conservative measure, and rho A is the middle one. Rho C is the most liberal one. So that is why the difference is there. Slight difference in the reliability value. Otherwise, it's all the same. So it's correct only. It's not a problem.
Now, once I have run this, I can see path also. So I can do like this. Summary underscore simple dollar path. So only path will appear in the output in this file. Summary underscore simple is my file name. Now dollar paths. So here is the path. Now reliability you want to check. Summary underscore simple dollar reliability. These are the no column name in the file reliability. So only reliability is coming. Okay. Then we want to bootstrap. The way Kanan sir taught us to bootstrap the model using Smart PLS, we may bootstrap the model using PLS algorithm only in SEMinR package through this command, and the command name is bootstrap underscore model. And this is my variable name, boot underscore simple. So SEMinR model equals to simple model, means this is the model. Where is the simple model? Yeah, here is the model. Estimate PLS. So this model I am bootstrapping. So this is command, this is the model. Number of bootstrapping, say for example, Kanan sir yesterday used 5,000, na?
5,000. Yes, sir, 5,000.
Let's n boot, number of boot equals to 5,000, course equals to null, seed equals to 1, 2, 3. Now what is seed? Seed is nothing, but if I type 1, 2, 3, it will give me the similar result every time. Otherwise, see, this is Bootstrap. All the computer can have different results. Little changes can be there because it's a Bootstrap. So to avoid that different variations, to keep it in one computer seed, that is 1, 2, 3. Anything you can type 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Any unique number you give, so that it will run the same results every time you quote that number. So now this function is there. We have given them the PLS model.
Sir, can you repeat seed again one time?
No, not
One,
at all
two, three,
important. Not at all important. I am extremely sorry, but it is not at all important. Seed is nothing. You can write anything. See, I'm telling you, I can write 777. Okay. Now it's a unique number generator with computer setting. Now that model, is it run? Bootstrapping model using SEMinR. Now it is bootstrapping. Only the main function is of use and boot equals to 5000. Cores means number of cores you want to give. There is only one core. So we don't want to give them cores. So we have to refer the function to get into details, but the basic function is to bootstrap. So by mistake, I have used 5000. Intentionally, I kept it at 3 because it takes a lot of time. It is not as fast as PLS. So I should have used 3000. It's something you can use 2000, 3000, 5000, 7000, 10,000 also, but it will take more time. The more you bootstrap, the more time it will take. Okay. So meanwhile, the R is calculating bootstrap data. Let us move to the command prompt. So here we have to type summary boot equals to summary boot underscore simple. This is our next command. That is still calculating bootstrap 5000. It's done. SEMinR model successfully bootstrap. Okay. Once it comes in your computer screen, so better you type 2000, not 5000. You type 2000. My computer is very fast. Then also it is taking so much time. So you type 2000. In real data, you do 5000, 7000. Summary underscore boot is now one more variable I am creating. Okay. Then we will see what is the summary of bootstrap. So here is the summary. Whatever data Kannan sir has taught us yesterday, everything will come here. Kannan sir, through PLS, we obtained this output and the same output is coming here. This is confidence interval 2.5%, 97.5%.
Yes, sir.
Original estimate, bootstrap mean, and as you taught us that if original and bootstrap means are near, it's okay. But we have to take a judgment not on the basis of beta in PLS. It is to be taken on the basis of confidence interval. And if our mean is falling between the CI, then it is okay. Okay. So here you can see the rewards is minus 0.009, which is between this. So almost all are coming between the CI. Now here is the bootstrap weight. Each variable weight with the respective model. Bootstrap mean, original estimate, SD. Then T statistics. We can discuss about T statistics of each and every items loading. Bootstrap loadings, VIS1 to Vision, CC1, T statistics. Now HTMT. Yesterday we found HTMT in Smart PLS, and HTMT needs to be less than 0.9. I repeat, we have to use only HTMT. Yesterday Kannan sir has also said Forner and Larker is not very robust. Better you discuss your discriminant validity with the help of HTMT, heterotrait, monotrait. Am I audible, guys, to everyone?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
So in HTMT, this is the relationship vision to development 7. Almost all are less than 0.90. Somebody is creating mute all. Kavita. Let's go back to the next level. Summary underscore boot $bootstrap paths. We want to see only the path. So we can write this summary underscore boot. That is my variable name. I want to call only particular column out of the variable bootstrap path. So here are the bootstrap paths in front of you. Vision to collaborative culture, significant. Development to collaborative culture, significant. A reward to collaborative culture, significant. Reward to collaborative culture. What is the T value? Minus 0.103. No, it's not significant. Kanan sir, can you check this?
Yes, sir. The T value should be more than 1.96 for at 95% confidence level. So it is not significant.
Rewards to collaborative culture मतलब ज़्यादा पैसा देने से collaborative culture नहीं आएगा. It should be above or below plus or minus 1.96 if I'm not wrong.
No, that is a different thing. But from the result itself, we can say that it is not significant. So the question of direction or magnitude does not matter. It is not significant at all.
हाँ, so 1.96 से कम है, not at all significant. Moreover, the value is falling between the CI.
Yeah, it is not falling between the confidence level also. It is confirmed by that also. So
see here you can see Kavita and other participants that the
Karan
range.
sir, I have one question. How many chart we should insert in our research paper? So many results are coming. And if
we will discuss that shortly. We are going for open house now. Last 5 minutes. Meanwhile, Kavita and Nidhi, both of you are requested to call Viral sir and Kanda sir. If you have the number I have given in the message, and invite them to join this session in 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes, 10 minutes time you give them. We will have a 5 minutes kind of a discussion. Meanwhile, they can join. Okay, you can invite them so that if you guys are available, Patel sir has given the call to join the session for half an hour of open house. Meanwhile, I am completing this. Is almost over, but let us complete last 2 commands. Only 2 commands are remaining. Bootstrap loadings. If you want to see the loadings only, here are the loadings. If the loading is above 0.4, that is good. If it is below 0.4, then there is no convergent validity. For p values, we may use following formula. If you want to get p values also, okay, because p values are not appearing here. You can see, Kanan sir.
Yes, sir.
They are not reporting the p values. For statisticians like you can easily say that it should be above 1.96. But
yes,
for people like us, computer savvy people, we want that p value. So that is not appearing here.
Because it is a non-parametric test. Bootstrapping is a non-parametric test. So you either you do not get, or even if you get, you need not see p values. You have to see the confidence interval.
That is why they are not giving. But if you want how to get it, I'm coming to that. So if you want, sorry, Kavita.
No, sir. Sorry.
Recording in progress.
Nothing, sir.
Kavita can call Viral sir and Nidhi can call Kanda sir, because Nidhi अपना बात हुआ था आपका वो PhD का थोड़ा काम के लिए भी आपको उनसे बात करना है. आज शाम को हम उनसे ग्रुप कॉल करेंगे.
नंबर नहीं शेयर किया सर.
अरे दोनों के नंबर मैंने सुबह मैसेज डाला ना @ करके मीटिंग का इन ग्रुप आज सुबह मैंने मैसेज डाला ना कि कांडा सर, कानन सर, विरल sir be ready. I am writing @ करके. You refer my last message. I am quoting them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am quoting them in my message. @Viral sir, @Kanan sir, @Kanda sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ready
sir.
for the meeting.
I've given a call to Bhatt, sir. Viral.
Kavita has given call to Bhatt sir. So kind of you, Kavita. I think Nidhi. We have to talk to Kanda sir also for your work, Arch and Gauge
Yes.
model. Arch and Gauge. So better you call him and ask him to join in 10-15 minutes if possible.
Okay, sir.
Now, meanwhile, all the participants and Kanan sir, what I am telling you is we are not required p-values because t-values is enough for a non-metric test. But in case if you want to see, there is some extra efforts we have to make that this way you can do it. So you use this. So here is the formula. Boot summary equals to summary boot simple. So I got the summary stored in boot summary. Now boot summary of all paths. Okay. Bootstrapped _ paths. So here you can see the summary of all paths. Now gather paths and t values. You have to store the path and t values into one variable. Then we can get the p values. So there is a variable called paths. That is a variable, not function. I have given name paths. Boot summary, $bootstrap paths, comma, original estimate, t values, bootstrap path, $bootstrap _ path, blank, matlab everything, comma, t statistics. So this way, I am creating two variables, one called path and second called t values, which stores the value of estimates and t values. Now I am creating a row. Degrees of freedom will be number of rows in the data sample. So we have to give them degree of freedom to find out the p value. Okay. So df number of rows into datas. So degree of freedom, one more variable we want to create df and row. So number of rows into our original data set, that is datas. Now it will create df. df equals to 800. Okay. df is equals to now 800. Now calculate p values. So we have to use function to calculate p values. P values equals to round pt is again one function to calculate p values from t values and df. P values and df. Okay. So p values equals to round pt. So point, how many points you want to round? T values, comma, df, comma, lower tail equals to false. Lower tail पे round करना है नहीं, false, comma 3. So you round up to 3 digits. You can give up to 4 also if you want. Okay. So p values will come from t values using function pt. मतलब p from t. There's a function pt. So new variable has been created, p values, and now if we see, we have to match p value and t value. Data dot frame paths, comma t values, comma p values. Now I have created a data frame. Data dot frame. So path aayega, then t value aayega, then p value aayega. So using this function, I have created this. Now you see. Vision to collaborative culture, path is 0.24560700 because I have used here 4. Then t value. If you want to reduce this, we can use here 2. And you can see the beta values will be reduced. Approximation will be reduce. Okay. Now it is coming only in 2. But we want it to be at least 4 or maybe 5, up to 5 level of precision in p-value. Then we can write 5. Now we can see the result, data.frame. There's a function, path, comma, t values, comma, p value. We have created 3 variables. First variable is path, second variable is t value, and third variable is p value. Now we can see all together in a single screen. So vision to collaborative culture, path is this, t value is this, p value is significant. Development to collaborative culture path is significant because it is less than 0.05, or you can say it is less than 0.01. Better less than 0.01. But rewards to collaborative culture, the path is not significant because t value is not beyond 1.96. I repeat, t value is not beyond 1.96. And if you are not good statisticians like me, you are good with technology and your research area, you better rely on p values. And here is the p value, which is beyond 0.05. So this relationship is not significant. So rewards, if you increase the rewards, the collaborative culture will not increase. If you increase the vision, collaborative culture will increase. If you do the development in the organization, collaborative culture will increase. So this is the crux. Now I am closing the R screen and I would request my co-host Kavita and sorry.
Sir, Viral sir is not picking the phone.
Call Viral sir and
my number may not be, sir. First time I'm giving a call. You better
okay.
call, sir.
No worry. I am here now. I am back.
My phone.
Actually, what happened? I was also busy in taking lecture, so I was not able to call him.
No,